Today I'm looking at the mini portable vacuum cleaner model number H109. I'm gonna get it opened up and check it out. All right, let's get it opened up and check it out. That's pretty convenient. USB charging cord, flexible hose, the manual, charging block, and the vacuum cleaner itself. Already has a charge. There's this removable lid, and that is where your vacuum cleaner is. It says that a lock on it where you can take this off to clean it out. Has a filter also inside there. That is pretty handy. Now we're going to try this little tool first. Got some sand here on the floor. And even if you take that off and turn it upside down, it doesn't fall out. I was wondering that. Now we'll try this attachment. Still feel a little bit of grit. So while it does do a good job, it doesn't get it completely. Not on one little pass. About 99% of it, but you can still barely feel it. But it does do a good job on larger things. That's toy box sand. I didn't show that a while ago, but I just saw it. It's the cleaning brush. But overall, we tried this in some crevice places, you know, where the dog hair gets and little things that you can't get to. And it actually did a good job on that. As far as the sand goes, it's about 98% of the sand. But as far as like regular household dirt, like you normally would have, dog hair, little food particles, little pieces of paper and things such as that, it did a fine job on that. So overall, I would say it's a good little mini portable vacuum cleaner that'll get the job done.